Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm back. Yep, I'm back, and I've got a radio that Thomas sent me. Now, this was a radio that I've had on my wish list for a couple of months, and Thomas bought it for me so I could show it to you. This is sold by SEMIER. It's the model SM-636. It's AM, FM, Bluetooth, Mp3 player, auxiliary input. It's got a lot of functions, but there is at least one disappointment, which I'll get to in a few minutes. So right now I'm playing from my TF card, YouTube free music. 2 speakers, plenty of volume, nice and clear. Analog tuning. The shortwave goes from 8 megahertz to 16 megahertz. The function keys are up here. This is to control the MP3 player, auxiliary input, USB input for MP3 playing, TF card, on-off and bass selection, mode switch, Bluetooth, USB, or FM, or AM, or shortwave. Carrying handle, which you have to put the telescopic antenna down if you want to use a carrying handle, and then you can raise the telescopic antenna, which is, according to my measuring device, is 23 inches. Pretty good. Powered by AC, comes with AC cord, plug in the back, or DC, I believe it's 3 or 4, let me look at the manual, I don't remember things very well. It's either 3 or 4 D cells. And the answer is 3 D cell batteries. Little manual, everything's pretty straightforward, so not a big deal. Comes with this nice little card from the seller. Nice. AM and FM reception is very good. I will demonstrate that quickly to stay away from music. So we'll go up here and we'll select FM. Whoops, no, I went too far. Try it again. FM. And like I say, I gotta move fast.
Información o educación. En un remoto pueblo, una técnica opera un robot. Ni saben quiénes son y los...
Pretty nice habitats for the tigers.
Right there. I spot.
To take the Wyoming product.
So you can see it picks up FM stations really good. Same way with AM. I can switch to AM. Turn the volume back up.
Tom, thank you so much for stopping by your lighting studio. I try to be...
That doesn't seem to be directional.
The rest of the Easter season. Thank you, John.
Yeah, it is directional. It does an okay job of AM, but shortwave, listen to this. Okay, wait a minute, I'm gonna turn the volume down. I'm gonna go to all the way to the bottom of the band, which is 8 megahertz. 8 megahertz. Then I'm gonna turn the volume up. And then I'm gonna slowly tune. Extreme muting while tuning. It's impossible to tune. So forget about shortwave. It sells for about $27 on Amazon. What you're really getting is AM and FM, Bluetooth, MP3 player, auxiliary input, so you can use this as a speaker amplifier, 2 speakers, 2 sources of power. I think it's worth the $28, but don't consider it a shortwave radio. It's not a shortwave radio. I want to thank Thomas for sending me this radio. I want to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I wish you would. And have a great day. Bye-bye.